Hi, this is a demonstration of the slow donkey kick, and I'm going to be taking it through the different stages. So depending upon where you are in your core support, depends upon which one of these versions that you'll do. I'm going to start with the as if, where you're just basically lifting the knee off of the ground. Remember, with the donkey kick, we are attempting to keep the pelvis as stable as possible. After that, I will demonstrate bringing the leg out into some extension. Then I will demonstrate bringing it out into full extension. And then I will demonstrate doing the full donkey kick. Keep in mind that when we do the donkey kick, every single time we move the leg, we are doing it with a candle's breath. Okay, so remember to warm up your candle's breath before you get in hands and knees so that you have it just happening real easily and naturally. Okay, thanks. Okay, here we go with the donkey kick. So remember, hands and knees. Whenever we're getting in hands and knees, we're checking alignment, shoulders, elbow, hands, making sure that your elbow pit is pointed forward. And remember, if you're not able to do that already, it's okay. If you're hypermobile like myself, remember not to lock the elbows. You want to keep them soft. And then we want to check our hip distance. I'm actually going to come forward on my mat a little bit. Okay, so to begin, if you're at the beginning phase of this, remember a lot of the time when we're not paying attention to our core and we lift up the leg, we tend to drop the pelvis, or we'll compensate the other direction. And I'm exaggerating there, but we want to try to create stability. So we're going to do that through the candle's breath. So nice inhale through the nose, exhale, and just as if, and I am actually taking the weight off of my knee, okay? All right, without displacing the pelvis. All right, so the next step, once you have that down on both sides, now we're going to go to actually bringing the leg back just a bit. Okay, so nice inhale, exhale, candles, bringing the leg back, keeping that pelvis as stable as possible. Okay, bringing the knee back underneath you. Take another nice breath. Exhale, candles, bring it back, and go ahead and bring it up. Okay, as long as you can keep a bowl of water on your hips while you're doing it, then you can go farther and engage in more weight bearing. If you are bearing down in your abdomen or your pelvic floor, if you feel like your abdomen is bulging outward, then you need to back up. You've got to go back a couple steps. Because we don't want the pelvis to displace. We don't want bulging in the belly. We don't want bulging in the pelvic floor. We want to keep everything nice and even. Let the core muscles really work for us. Okay, that's your donkey kick. Remember to do your sides equally. All right, thank you.